Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn to use the mode formula in Excel, which is used to calculate the mode. Alright, the value of mode in a given series. Well, before we proceed, we have to keep into account that for it to work correctly, there must be at least two numbers which are the same in a data set. And if all the values in a group are unique, then this formula will result as an error #NA. All right. So we need to keep this in mind. So how do we use the mode formula? Very simple. So is equal to mode. Sorry. We choose mode. This is only if we use only the mode option from here, like this one. This works only in compatibility mode for Excel 2007 or earlier. All right. And for 2016, we use the mode.sngl option or the mode.mult option. The most commonly used is mode.sngl. So we will use mode.sngl and we will select this range and close the bracket. We get the answer as 10. Now we will use just the mode formula and select this range. The answer is 40. And mode.single again. Sorry. And select this range. The answer is #NA. Not because the formula is wrong, it's that there is no repeated value in mode. Alright. Whereas what does the mode formula do? It returns the most frequently occurring number in a group of numbers. Like for example, we have these orders and these are the sizes, say for example for shirts or socks, whatever, shoes. Let's take the example of shoes and let's find out which is the most commonly ordered shoe size. So the mode formula can tell you that is equal to mode and select this range, close the bracket, and the most commonly ordered shoe size is 10. So this is how you use the mode formula. See you in the next video.